Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today guys I am making my own color acrylic. I really loved this color. However, if you watch my last video, you know probably why I'm already taking it off. So rather than buying 10 more colors that marbled the same way this one did, I decided to try to make my own. So I got this kit from Amazon. It is some soft chalk and I made a few trials. So trial one, y'all, I use this blue. I saw this on TikTok, y'all, mixing these colors. Oh, it came out beautiful on TikTok, but y'all, that's never how real life works. I use this beautiful blue color, a little bit of white, and then they use a little bit more red, and it's supposed to be this beautiful purplish blue. So after I mixed the color up thoroughly, I came in with some clear acrylic from Mia's Secret, stirred it up, and used my drill or my e-file and mixed it up thoroughly. So at this point, y'all, I'm so hyped. I knew this color was going to be so beautiful like the one on TikTok. So this is what I got. Yeah, it's definitely not it. This is like, I don't even know. Like, this is not even a cute purple. I was very disappointed. So on to the next color, trial number 2. Then I decided, let me use some bright colors. So I came through with this pink, and then I mixed a little orange with it. And I don't know why. Okay, y'all, I told y'all I saw this on TikTok. They had a little blue. So I decided to throw in just a little smidgen of light blue. And I was like, oh, it's going to be so beautiful. It was like a pretty burnt orange looking color. So I was like, all right, TikTok, don't fail me now. And this time, y'all see it? I got a beautiful burnt orange, just as they did in the video. So that's a win. So on to trial number 3. All right, so the next one that I saw, they used my favorite colors. It was lime green, this beautiful blue, this baby little blue, and they mixed it all up. And I'm like, how could you go wrong with these colors? Like, it's going to be a beautiful aqua turquoise type color. So I decided to apply this using my monomer to my lucky paper towel, and why it's so ugly. Ugh. So on trial number 4, this time I use this like really pretty purple magenta Barney color with a little bit of this coralish pink and like another blue looking color. I don't know. So this one actually came out beautiful. And then trial number 5, my final one, and finally getting to applying it, I used pink and this orange color, coralish color. And I applied a clear acrylic to my nails first, so that way when I decide to file this off, I don't have to do all that extra. So I went ahead and applied that to all of my nails. If you want to know what monomer I'm using, this is a no odor, or should I say low odor monomer that I really enjoy. So applying this color, as you can see, this color actually came out really, really pretty. The only con, which was an error on my fault, I didn't mix it as good as I should have. I really think had I mixed it better, this color would have looked even better, because I did see a few little streaks of chalk. So that was definitely on my fault. Now, what I can say about working with these chalk colors, they're very dry. So, you know, it's not as forgiving as when you have that buttery acrylic. But overall, y'all, I really enjoyed this. This was like a really good experiment. If y'all didn't know, I'm a science teacher. So, you know, our variable in this experiment, y'all, was the colors that we used, but we kept everything the same. So in general, I'm going to do this again, okay? This was definitely a win. I like this, and it's way cheaper than buying a million different acrylic colors. and not knowing what you're going to get. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you ever tried this chalk idea on your own. Let me know what's up. And make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Mila B out.